Setting up Asana involves creating an account, setting up projects, and inviting team members. Here's how to set up Asana effectively. Create an account. Visit the Asana website and sign up for an account using your email address or Google account. Set up your workspace. Upon signing in, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace. Give your workspace a name and consider adding a logo or cover image to personalize it. Create projects. Start by creating projects for different initiatives, teams, or areas of work. Click on the plus button next to projects and choose Create Project. Give your project a name and description. Organize tasks. Within each project, organize tasks into sections or columns based on priority, status, or category. Click on the plus button next to a section to add tasks. Invite team members. Click on the Invite button at the top right corner of the screen to invite team members to join your workspace. Enter their email addresses and assign them to projects as needed. Customize settings. Explore Asana settings to customize your notifications, preferences, and integrations with other tools. Explore features. Familiarize yourself with Asana's features, such as assigning tasks, setting due dates, attaching files, and commenting on tasks.